Hey there! Are you looking to boost your Samsung phone's performance by turning off some system apps you don't really need? You have come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to disable those apps and keep your phone running smoothly. Let's get straight to it. First, head over to the settings. Then, scroll down just a bit. After that, tap on the apps. Now, scroll down the list of apps. Next, choose a system app you would like to disable from the list. Then, look towards the bottom of the screen. You will see the disable option right there. Tap on it to proceed. Next, confirm your choice by tapping Disable App again. And that's all there is to it, folks. Thanks for tuning in and giving it a try. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Really appreciate you watching, and we will catch up next time.